Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. So in this simple video I'm gonna show you how you can turn your photo into fitness looks in CapCut apps using Style. Okay, go to open the CapCut apps and select new project, select your photo you want to edit, and I'm going to open my project. I already have several photo here, so I'm going to select this photo and select style button. Okay, just click on style. So swipe to the right until you find the fitness style. So here's, just click on it to apply the effect. Just swipe. And here we go. This is the final effect you'll have on your photo. Okay, you can see this is the fitness looks on your photo. I hope the tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any question, please leave in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching.